Okay, let's talk about other data types. Ito pa yung mga iba pang data types. Okay. Sometimes data can come as collections, so other data types will be needed. So we're going to deal with collections or combinations of numbers and text. So we can categorize these collections as either lists, tuples, sets, and or dictionaries. Okay, so unahin natin yung list. So in this video, we're going to talk about lists. Lists are used to store collections of data or items. We can create lists using the square brackets, ito. So ginagamit natin siya when creating a list with comma separating each item. So kagaya nito, we have food, yan, and then meron tayong naka-list dyan na items separated by comma. We have yan, pizza, burger, and siopaw. Ayan, nakakagutom. In the example above, we created a list containing 3 strings. So meron tayong 3 strings yan. Okay? Pwede ring numbers ang ilagay natin dyan instead of strings. Any data type pwede natin ilagay sa list natin. Okay? You can think of lists as lists, of course. Okay? So, we can access each item using a procedure called indexing. Pag sinabi nating indexing, that's how we can access itong mga items na yan. Okay? So, let's try this code doon sa ating Python. Ayan. So, let's try this. Okay, so yan. Lagay natin. We have the pizza. We have, ano pa yung isa? Burger. Ayan. And then we have yung isa. Ayan. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung laman ng food. Ayan. So, we have pizza, burger, and siopaw. Okay. So, tingnan natin. So, if we're going to use indexing, we can access them individually, yung mga items natin. So, if I'm going to type food using open and close brackets, no? If I press 0, yan, okay? Food 0, ibig sabihin, ito yung pizza. Ayan. So, in-access niya yung pizza. So, pag magi-indexing tayo, pag sinabi natin indexing, yun yung position nung mga items doon sa list natin. So, ang index 0, that is the first item. Okay? So, always remember that indexing always starts with 0. So, yung pinakaunang item doon sa list natin is index 0. Pangalawang item is index 1, and then index 2, and so on and so forth. So, ganun siya. So, let's try another one. Food. Let's access yung siopaw. Ano yung gagamitin natin if we access yung siopaw? Anong index? So, in this case, index 2. Bakit siya index 2? We have 0, 1, 2. Okay, so index 2 siya. So, if I press enter, ayan. So, na-access natin yung pangatlong item. So, that is the indexing and that is the list. Okay, so, in our next video, we're going to talk more about this indexing and slicing na tinatawag. So, para makita natin kung paano natin i-access. Paano natin ginagamit itong list na to. Paano natin i-manipulate itong list.